Do you want to make web pages easier to read while browsing? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra includes a high contrast mode in Samsung Internet that adjusts the colors of font, background, and other web page elements to make them stand out more clearly. Let me show you how. First, open Samsung Internet. Tap the three dots at the bottom right. Then tap Setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap Web Page View and Scrolling. Here, find High Contrast Mode and then turn it on or off. For this example, let's enable High Contrast Mode. As soon as you turn it on, Samsung Internet will immediately switch to a dark high contrast appearance. Text, backgrounds, and other web page elements become easier to distinguish, helping improve readability while browsing. This can be especially useful if you prefer stronger contrast or have difficulty reading certain web pages. Important note, when high contrast mode is enabled, Samsung Internet automatically switches to its own high contrast dark display style. Because of this, the separate dark mode setting becomes unavailable. So if you want to use Samsung Internet regular dark mode settings again, you will need to turn off high contrast mode first. And that's how you use high contrast mode for easier reading in Samsung Internet on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.